There's a bee swarm in my tree from my own bees. Follow me. Come on, we're gonna catch it. See this nice little willow tree? That's where the swarm is. Oh my God. How dare my bees swarm on me? After all the love and care I do take care of them. Can't believe they would do that. Here, I'll show you. I'll get up close. We'll get up close. Where's the swarm? Right there. See that huge swarm? Like, look at my hand, that thing's huge. They are all in my willow tree right there. Okay, we're gonna get these out.
It's really not that big.
It's huge.
I'm trying to be exciting for the video.
Yes. This is absolutely crazy.
Stella!
Oh,
Honey.
Stella, go away. Go away.
You're chopping the whole tree down?
No, I'm not chopping it down.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah, if I get stung. If Stella gets stung. Go away, sweetie. Play with Lola.
They're already going down. Yeah, this is how you do it. Get your little pruning shears. Now they're just dropping themselves right into my hive right here. The queen is in here. They're going right down in. They're just looking for a home. Now they've got a good one. They'll be off of this and down in here in just a minute. Oh my gosh, yeah. They're starting to collect back up there. They still smell her pheromones. They're fanning right now. That means they're telling all the other bees that this is where to come. This is their new home.